Hi guys, this is a motivational podcast. We are taking the interview of Saurav, who have just converted I'm Koi Code. So I'm giving the extract of all the questions and all the questions the student asked him in today's chat. So the screen is going blank because of the technical issue. We are not able to show the screen and hiding out the because there were a lot of scribbling going on. So we are hiding out the screen. Just close your eyes and enjoy the interview. Try to imagine yourself in his feet. Try to learn from him. Obviously not everything will be helpful for you, but a part of that, even if a part of that can be helpful for you, it's a great thing. Let's start. All right. Hi guys. Today we have Saurav with us. Saurav have just converted I'm Koi Code. Saurav was with us last year. He was a Super 30 batch. Last year we started the Super 30 batch and he was part of that. So Saurav, I would try to be a moderator. I'll be picking up all the chats and I will be your assistant for the day. So before we start, can you talk about yourself, your introduction, your background, your profile?
Okay, okay, sir. So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is
Very
Saurav,
good
and
Everybody else,
I
please mute. Everybody, please mute.
so I come from Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is a town in Jharkhand, which is a steel making industry. Tata Steel is based out here, and this is my hometown. I work in a company known as Wapco India Limited, which is into commercial vehicle industry. I graduated in 2015 with mechanical engineering, and since then I have been working with this company. I wanted to go for CAT since my graduation, but due to some family pressures, etc., I chose to work for a bit. So after 2 years of work, I tried to uh, study for CAT. I joined a few institutes, but I couldn't succeed with you. Most of you who would be working right now, who would be in manufacturing. I was working with this company known as Wapco India Limited, which is in commercial vehicle industry. And then, as you would be knowing, that this industry, manufacturing industry, takes a lot of stress from you. It has a normal working hour of 14 to 16 hours, and I had a traveling of 25 kilometers from one side, so I daily used to travel 50 kilometers. But for this cat, I had to do this. So what I did is firstly I was watching some YouTube videos, and then I went on to see this CET King. Some videos I saw, and I just felt that motivation from one or two videos that yes, I can also do this, because sir would constantly keep interviewing people, will keep posting that yes, you have to target this college, you will get this type of package when you do this, you can get out of your normal life. So this motivation kept me along. So what I did, firstly I updated my Chrome, and there is a setting called known as auto open pages. So my first page, which would open automatically even when I switched on my Google Chrome, would be CT King YouTube site. And every day when I came from office in the evening 7 to 8 p.m., I would be coming back every day. So it will be a 9 to 9 job basically. So I will open my laptop and that thing will come out. So I did not enroll for the course. While viewing some of the videos, there was a link below one video of sir, which said that you can get into Super 30 batch. We are opening a Super 30 batch. What you need to do is apply for mocks, give 5 mocks, and send me the scores. So what I did, I gave 5 mocks of some free mocks are available in the internet. You can see free mocks are available everywhere. So I send them the screenshots of my score, and then based on the score, they shortlisted 30 people uh, from the group, and those 30 people were uh, added in a WhatsApp group. That was the Super 30 group.
Okay,
So
great.
this Super
So
30 group, I think, was
I think they started in probably July, August time.
yes,
So sort of when you started your preparation, when was
yes,
a
sir.
day one? When was a day one of your preparation?
Sir, day one of my preparation was in April. One of your videos said this is already April and you have 6 months to go. You need to prepare. That time I was casually just watching the videos. I
Okay,
had prepared for CAT earlier with basic RS Agarwal books, but not taken it seriously though.
okay, okay, great, great. So that's great. So now, how many mocks you gave? Approximately how many mocks you gave in general in total?
After being before being added in the Super 30 group, I only gave 5 mocks to be added
Right.
in the Super 30 groups. And after that, every we added into Super 30 groups, we were given the login and the password. So every week, every Sunday, I would make it a point to give a mock. And every day after coming from office, 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, I would give every day. Weekends, I would not go anywhere. I would not meet my friends. I would just go on studying.
Mm-hmm.
This was the everyday scenario up till October. From October, I started taking many mocks. 2 to 3 days, every 2 3 days, I would take a mock, and
Okay.
my prime focus was quant for because I thought that quant would be fetching me more marks as I am an engineer, so this would be easy target for me. Slowly, I realized during my preparation that DILR was also to be given importance. So the DILR section of CET King, if you go on to see the videos, uh, I'm talking to the students. If you go on to see the videos, those are really helpful. You can directly go and see the pro videos, and you can get an idea of how easily the problems can be solved.
Okay, great, great. And okay, I'm getting a few questions here from you from the chat. Can you tell us about the 10, 12 marks, how much you scored in 10, 12th and graduation marks?
My 10th score was 72 percentile, and 12th score was 72 percentile.
Okay, 10th was 72, 72. And engineering?
What was 70? Engineering, I got 7.3 percentile, so all 777.
777. Yeah, 777 is good qualifying marks you need for getting the call. Great. So we'll talk about section by okay, number of hours. How many hours you prepared? We have got a question here.
3 to 4 hours daily, sir.
3 to 4 hours every day during job as well, along with the job.
During job as well, yes, we have to do that.
So guys, this is your main criteria: 3 to 4 hours every day, and you are sorted. And how many months you started from April?
Yes, sir, from April. My work ex is about 45 months now in May 2020. So it was tough to go through the interviews. In interview, they would drill down about the job because most of the professors would be knowing about this operation industry. So they asked, I think for the CAP rounds also, the Kozhikode interviews and the Indore interviews, they asked me about all the manufacturing things, about how the industry works, about OLE, operations, everything. So they will drill down your work ex if you are in work ex.
Okay, great, great, great. And what was your strategy? I mean, now we have a couple of questions there regarding the strategy part. Okay, first question is, are you still working? There's one question from Prithvi. Are you still working?
Yes, I am still working. I have not submitted the papers yet as we are going through this COVID thing. So the office
Okay,
has not yet started. So the soon I go back to office, I'll put down the papers because I have accepted the offer from IMK.
okay, great, 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 great. All right. So now I have a question from you. How much was your first mock score?
Sir, my first mock score was very low. It was 37
37.
percentile.
37
Percentile.
percentile. Okay.
I
37 percentile.
I think I got a very less number of questions correct. Some were correct in quant and somewhere in English. DILR, I think it was 0. So
Okay.
this
DA
was the
logic
first
0.
mock. Yes, yes.
Okay. Superb. Superb.
If you would allow, I would tell them the important thing of DILR I saw from your
Yes,
videos.
please. Yes, yes, yes. Most welcome.
The one thing that you can use your ID card to get an idea of the graphs and those pictures given in the DILR section. If you have got 3 questions, 3 of the graphical questions, most of them can be answered just logically without using a pen and paper. So I would request everybody to check out the the pro videos on the CT King tutorial videos, so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. You can solve 50% of the DILR question without touching a pen and paper, and you can get the answers absolutely correct.
Okay, great. And how was the strategy? Same way, how was the strategy from quant, and which was the main area you felt you need improvement? Quant, verbal, or DI logic?
Sir, verbal, I think verbal I should have given more focus.
Yeah, this is the main
So
problem.
yeah.
This every engineer is telling me same thing, verbal. Every non-engineer is telling me same thing, quant. So everybody have their own weak area. So okay, tell us about your strategy of verbal. How you planned your verbal studies?
Sir, for verbal, I just went through the mocks because I thought average it would be okay for me. So I went through the mocks, and every day I used to read this Economic Times newspaper. So I didn't stress
Every day.
much on verbal. If I would have done that, I could have got ABC calls as well. But
Okay, so we have a question here. You were following the from Ketan that you were following the YouTube channel or the login ID videos. You're talking about which videos in
I started
GDP?
I started from the YouTube channel, which is free to everybody in the world. So I started from the YouTube channel in April, and April, May, June. I was watching the YouTube channels and studying my own using books. But when in July the Super 30 thing came up, then I
Okay, then
started
login
sitting. Yes, sir.
ID thing. After that, the login ID. Okay, what were any up points? Uh, Up points during your preparation. Like, what was the best moment and what was the worst moment while preparing for MBA?
Best moment was during October when I somehow managed to get okay that yeah, I am now scoring well enough to go to the CAT exam because it was in October. And
Okay.
low moments was when some points in quant like this permutation and combination probability, these things you think that you have studied in your 10th exam and now you are not able to solve. So these were the low points. uh,
Hmm.
Secondly, we witnessed this recession before the CAT exam. The automobile was in all-time low phase, so lots of shutdowns were occurring in my company as well, in my uh, industry as well. So that I took as an opportunity. I invested my full day to study for CAT exam. I think we shifted from 6 day working to 4 day working before the CAT exam. So that was also a big benefit.
Okay, great, great. So everyone in this chat, we are trying to avoid the CAD percentile. I want you to avoid the engineering as well. No talk about engineer, non-engineer. But you already told us starting that is the engineer. So we're not going to talk about engineer, non-engineer, or CAD percentile. That's the main thing we are going to deal with. Okay, we have a
Yes.
question from Shashank. How did you deal with the demotivation, and how to keep your mind focused?
I started my what I was saying with that only. This demotivation is not be an issue if you see the YouTube videos of sir every day, because I told you I kept this in my Chrome that it will automatically start when you open the Chrome. So every video if you see of sir, it will be a motivating video. Will be like now only we are battling with COVID-19. Okay, and I had this in mind that I am having 45 months of experience and a well-paid salary. If I go on to for an MBA, will I be placed in 2022? Uh, if I would be left unplaced, what would happen? I have a friend in IMK. He told that no, it is not an issue for big IMs, but this was
Mhm.
an thing going on in my mind. So one of the recent videos where sir said that यार MBA तो करना ही है और job तो जिंदगी भर करना है. So these two sentences were clear in my mind, and now I'm having zero doubt that I have to do this year or any year. I have to do now only.
Okay, great. Okay, now we have the question: how did you manage your job and CAT? Because you are traveling 24 5 hours, 25 kilometers every day. So,
Yes, sir.
what time you study in the morning, night? How you used to manage your working hours and CAT preparation? That's a question from Harshit.
So Harshit, actually, I'm looking after production. So we used to work in shifts earlier. So I said my senior that what if I work in B shift? So B shift is 2 to 10. So I can wake up in the morning. I can study till 12 or 12:30. I have my lunch and go to office. So this is how shift also helped me to manage the time.
Okay, great, great. So, how was the strategy on the D day? मतलब which within verbal session, what was your D day strategy? मतलब पहले verbal करना है, फिर sorry within verbal पहले RC करना है कि non RC करना है? What was your strategy on that day?
My strategy for verbal was actually starting from the last, because as I told, we said that engineers we shouldn't have mentioned that, but we are not more good on that. So I started from the last. I started from the last question, which are 2 to 3 questions, and gradually moved towards the RC. Getting into RC first would take more time. And this is what I could make out of my mocks as well.
Okay. Okay, great. And how was the interview? Now we are moving towards the interview. First of all, how many calls you had, and among
It's,
the total, how many calls you have, and how was your code interview? Was it good, bad? Was it stressful, non-stressful?
I got calls from K, I, and L and CAP colleges. I don't know why I didn't get a call from Amritsar. Maybe first interview was of Lucknow, and Lucknow interview was in Kolkata, and it did not go well. I must say, did not go well. They drilled down into my work ex too much, and they gave me some business cases which I could not answer up to their expectation, but it was good. Then
But the result is going to come in the end. That is the problem with Ram Lucknow. They took the interview in the first and they give the result in the
they give
end.
the result in the last.
So we'll see
That
that.
is
No
the
problem.
thing.
Let's wait for that.
Then Kozhikode interview was also in Kolkata. So for the Kozhikode interview, it went good. They asked me about the workix as well. They are asking about workix only. So they drilled down into some parts which I was good. They asked something about GK. They gave me some puzzles to solve. They were happy. So I got the call.
Okay. Can you give an example of a puzzle? Which kind of puzzle are you talking about?
Sir,
Which kind of a puzzle? Mainly, was it like a quant-based puzzle or just a
it
typical
it
logical
was a
puzzle?
quant based puzzle. They gave me some numbers in the left side, and they said these are the spendings, and they gave me some numbers on the right side. They said me that these were the savings, and upon adding all the numbers, they were not same. So why so?
Okay.
So
Okay.
like this,
Great.
they will give puzzles. For I am Nagpur, they gave me one puzzle. Some matchsticks were arranged in a form of a equation.
Okay. Uh,
So
okay. Great. So, did you get a call from the baby arms? We got a question here from Shashank. Did you get a call from the baby arms?
I got call from all baby IMs.
All baby arms.
Yeah,
So,
only
which
IM
one?
Amritsar I did not got a call because I think in 2017 I accepted the offer. Maybe this might be a reason.
Okay. Okay.
Did
Okay.
not
Okay.
join.
Okay. So, you have taken the exam in 2017 as well.
Yes, yes. I got converted Amritsar beta, but I did not join that time.
Okay. Great. Yeah. Great. Because you got the job. So, obviously, it makes sense
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah. I
do
got a
the job.
promotion that year, so I did not join. I think that was the reason they did not shortlist me.
Okay, great. And one question we have, so obviously there might be other people around you who were there in the interview. If you don't have a work ex, what kind of question they were asking them? Any idea about them?
For people who don't have a work ex, they would be asking directly about physics, chemistry, whatever your
Subjects.
subjects are. So I met a lot of people from science. They asked about the science, physics and chemistry, deep into physics and chemistry. They will give them to solve the equations. For people who are from economics and commerce, arts background, they would ask from their domain only.
Okay, great, great. So we have a question from Ram. What was the strategy for the revision of the quant?
Ram,
Revision. Sorry.
once you complete the syllabus from the books or the videos you're watching, you have to give mocks. That is the only way to revise and develop your strategy.
Okay. And what is the mock taking strategy? Like every week you used to give a mock. Then after that you used to revise every mock. How you used to do that?
We can give a mock every week. If you are having time, you can give twice a week. More the mocks will be developing more a good strategy. And one more thing, you can give mocks in pieces. That would be more helpful. What we call as a section builder test. Uh, so you can break mocks and give. That also will be helpful.
Okay, great. And how was your overall number of mocks you gave? How many mocks you gave?
I think I gave close to 35 to 40 mocks.
35 to 40
And
mocks.
I
Okay,
would
great.
analyze them very often. I would see on Monday when the results would come of the mocks, Monday or Tuesday, I would analyze them where it went wrong, everything.
Okay, we have a very good question from Shivangi. Did you start your preparation now or you started in 2017? So, but obviously, if you've taken the
2000,
exam earlier, you might have done something earlier.
no, 2017, I was just casually doing it because from college only we were preparing for MCAT exams, which was for job preparation. So we used to do this aptitude reasoning. So I went through CAT in 2017 casually. Did not take any
Okay,
coaching.
Okay, and you got the IIM call and converted IIM Amritsar. सही है यार.
Only Amritsar, sir.
Great. Okay, what was the first and the last mock score? We have got this question from 6F. His name is 6F. First and the last mock score.
First mock score I told you was 37. Okay. Last mock score I got, which was, I remember, is 96.
Okay, 96 percentile. Superb. So that's your journey from 37 to 96 percentile. Okay, brilliant. Which other calls we have already talked about that? So you got any main AIMS call? I'm Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta. You got any call main AIMS?
No, sir. ABC calls I didn't get.
So apart from ABC, you got all the calls.
Yes, sir.
ABC and Amritsar, 4 calls. After 4, you got also you got 69 calls.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got a very good question from Piyush. Did you drop any topic like while preparing or ye mere se nahi ho payega, I'm leaving this topic? So any topic you just ignored?
Yes, Piyush, this would come in picture when you solve the mocks for quant. Some topics you would have to skip definitely. What topics you would start in the beginning, doing it in the beginning, and later on you would find that you can skip those topics. But that strategy will only develop when you give a lot of mocks.
Okay, great. So you were a repeater. So we have a question here from, I missed this guy, I'm sorry. 1 second, I just go up. Being a repeater, how did you handle the pressure? Something like that. Because being a repeater is not easy to repeat. So there's a lot of pressure from the family side as well. So how you used to handle that kind of a pressure? First of all, was there any pressure?
First of all, I thought in 2018 that CAT 18 I would give CAT 18 and take an admission, because that time I was having 36 months of work and that was a very good time to do. But due to some work scenario, I could not devote much time, and I did not score good in CAT 18. So that was a very low time for me, and I started doing it for CAT 19. So I think that a repeater would not be an issue. But if you are having any work X, try to keep it in the 24 to 36 lab.
Okay, great. Okay, we have one question here. What was your GDPI VAT? How you managed to work on the GDPI preparation? I'm sorry, I missed that question. Yeah, sorry. Saurav have a very good question here. Saurav is asking, what was your preparation? Was there any एक second यार, actually the chat is happening so fast that I missed out on the questions. Saurav, I missed your question. Can you please pose the question again? I missed that chat from Saurav. So sorry. How did you handle the panic on the exam day? Did you panic in any area while giving the exam, like this is not happening as per? If it happened, how did you come up with that? How did you answer that?
This is actually a very good question. I could not handle actually the panic very nicely. What happened actually, I got my and all.
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat, please?
It will be there only, and I did not have a thorough look on the admit card.
I'm sorry, come again. We missed that part. Please start
so
again.
All of the exams in our area in Jamshedpur are generally happening in TCS IIM. There is a building for TCS IIM. They are conducting all the exams, CAT, SBI, PO, every exams are conducted there only. So I was pretty much, it was made up in my mind that the exam would be there only. I downloaded the admit card and kept it, and I did not have a thorough look on it. And my exam was in a different venue, and only on the morning I could see that the exam was on a different venue, and it was around 15 kilometers from here. So due to this panic, I missed out that thing. That was a bad thing for me.
Okay. We have a question here from Saurav. I remember the question. There are two questions. One is about the profile. A lot of people are asking us about the profile. What did you improve your profile, or if you did, what you worked on that? Number one question. Number two, what was the biggest mistake you did while preparing for your exams?
So a biggest mistake I would take down from 2017 and 19 together. The sooner you do is the better you get. That thing for all the people who are freshers, those who think that we would not get a good college, what we would do uh, at an IIM would be you ace the exams, you get the IIM calls, you go for the exams, because the sooner you do, the better it is. If I would have joined Amritsar, maybe in 2017, I would be passing this year, and 2 years of my life, which I have been working, I could have been working in a much better industry, much better package. So this is the thing. What was the first question, sir?
Profile. Did you work on the profile?
For as I'm working in the industry which is operations based, so I managed to get a green belt green belt in this lean certification from my own company. So whatever profile you are in, whatever thing you are doing, you should get some certifications. Excel would be also a good certification for people who are currently studying.
Okay. Okay. Great. 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 Okay. We'll just take one, two more question, and then we'll be stopping here. Uh, what is the current age?
My current age is 27.
27. Okay. And how much work experience you've got?
This May I would be completing 45 months.
45 months of work. Okay. Now I have a question here. Did you felt it during your preparation that because you had work ex, was it a disadvantage of any sort?
It was an advantage when I had 24 to 36 months of work ex. I feel now that it would be a disadvantage, but what can we do? We have to go and check by ourselves.
But during the interview, did you face any kind of a discrimination during the interviews because you had work experience?
During the interview, it was opposite. During the interview, everybody would ask me questions, would ask, sir, how did you prepare? How are you working? What are the things they asked you? And the interviewers would be very cool to ask questions from your own domain. So a thing which you have worked for 4 years, it would be very easy to answer on that.
Okay. Okay, we have a question from Nawaz who is typing 100 times. Same thing. How did you handle work experience? How did you handle your work and study? We already have answered that question. So if you just would like to summarize something about that.
Nawaz, main thing is that you have to study, you have to give every day some hours which would have to be constant. The thing is that you start your preparation, then you leave it. So try to be motivated, try to watch the videos of CT King on the website, try to get the online course or the offline course that would help you to be motivated.
Okay, great. Sorry, so thank you very much for coming online, yeah. Saurav, thank you very much for your
Thank you
time.
very much, sir. It's an honor, sir.
Thank you. So I'll just stop this thing. I don't know how to stop this thing now.